right now on electric cars, there's really two hookups. There's Tesla and everything else. In trucking, there's 9 or 10
Mm.
different plug-in. So you can't just put a spec one in.
No,
It doesn't work.
no, it doesn't work. I didn't
Yeah.
realize that there was 9 or 10 different. Yeah.
No, and the infrastructure is not built out for them. So on deliveries, for example, those trucks have to go back to power up.
Right.
That doesn't work.
Yeah.
And they're saying that they're more expensive than gas vehicles. And that's why Amazon and other people haven't totally gone over there, because these vehicles are way heavier